Think and grow. Think before you do. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel for more videos. You can also follow on Twitter and Instagram. Link is provided in the description below. Public relation is one of the major skills that you should possess to excel, not only in your career but also impress everyone who meets you at the first place. It's the impression you leave behind allows people to make perception about you. The way you behave and deal with people is enough to bring success in your life. Skill and talent is arguably the best element through which you can grow financially in life. However, if you have the ability to impress someone with your words and personality, that alone can do the job for you. Before you start speaking to someone, your personality must have spoken to them in a positive manner. So be careful about your attitude and personality, as these are crucial traits that can take you to the heights of success in anything you plan to do. Try to leave a positive impression, as that's the foundation of a glorious future for you. Focus on your and others' body language you are speaking to. This is the first thing you must keep in mind to know what other fellows exactly want to say and how to impress them at the first go. For instance, when talking to anyone, make sure to make firm eye contact and nod your head, willing to make them understand that you are interested in what they are saying. Then try mirroring to what the person is doing. For example, if he is making hand gestures to explain something to you, give him back the answer by replacing his answer. This way, the person will subconsciously start getting impressed with you. Right attitude. Always keep the right attitude while talking to others. Project yourself with a clarity in front of others, even if you are feeling dull and exhausted. The kind of energy you carry leaves a certain kind of impact on others. If you present yourself in a lousy way, others will start thinking about you in a negative way. However, if you present yourself in front of others, vitality and enthusiasm, others will feel motivated and take you seriously. Become a good listener. You should make this your habit to become a good listener. When you listen to someone, they think that you are giving importance to them and they start feeling more comfortable talking to you. This also helps in building your relationship. Therefore, next time you talk to someone, don't just start pouring your thoughts. Allow your partners to have their say and listen to them carefully. Ask as many questions as you can. Never be afraid in asking questions, as this will let a person build positive impression on you, owing to the seriousness you are showing and how willing you are to learn and understand the respective topic. This will build trust and hence enhance your business and personal relationship with others. Always end your note by saying thank you. Never miss a chance thanking to someone with whom you are conversing with or talking on some important business goals. This will let the person think positively about your generous and polite nature, and saying thank you will cost you nothing. So why can't you use it for the good? It's better to apologize. You can't be always right, and even if you are, try to listen others and don't adamant. If you feel that your words are going in direction, make sure to apologize instantly. It will help you to gain the loyalty and trust of everyone present there. After all, no one likes stubborn people in this busy world when everyone has his or her own issues to solve. Have your say. Have your say. Always remember to have your personal statement ready and speak it out whenever you think it is necessary. Things like what are your objectives, what do you want to say, and how will you achieve your goals should be in your mouth. This will let others to believe in you, as you now have a goal and vision in your life. Most importantly, every relationship matters, so try to maintain them in a honest and positive way. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. Finally, thank you for watching.